Hi guys, and welcome to day 17 of Take 5. Are you ready? Let's get going. 5 minutes on the clock in 3, 2, 1. High plank is where we're starting today, so go ahead and find that strong position with the body. Exhale down to the right forearm, palm flat. Left forearm, palm flat. Right hand plank, left hand plank. Now alternate. Left, right, left, right. Now right, left, right, left, left, right, left, and hold. Good. Core is super tight here. Feel the muscles in your belly. You're going to drop your heels, center, drop your heels, center. Get into those obliques. Drop your heels, center, drop your heels, center. Good. Right, center, left, center. One more time to the right. Last time to the left. Exhale, hold right here. Core tight. 3, 2, and drop. Flip on over to your back. So again, try to keep your moving so you're not in the same place the whole time during your exercise. Legs in the air, all right? Exhale, lower one leg down. Other leg hovers right up here. Hands behind your head for support. Tap the heel and then twist. Tap your heel, twist. Tap your heel, twist. Good. Tap, lift, twist, hover, tap, lift, twist. 2 more. Tap, lift, twist. 1 more rep. Tap, lift, twist. Good. Switch your legs, put your head down. Other leg lowers. All right. Exhale, come up. Tap heel to toe. Lift, twist, hover. Heel to toe, lift, twist, hover. Whoo. Heel to toe, lift, twist. Go slow. Heel to toe, lift, twist. 4 more. 4, up, twist. 1, 3, up, twist. It burns. 2, up, twist. Last rep. Down, up, twist. Head down, legs up. Good. Exhale, reach opposite hand, opposite pinky toe. So move through this. You guys are about halfway through today, all right? And then this should feel kind of a little easier than everything else we've done so far. Nice. Keep twisting. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now put your hands under your butt for support. We've done these before. We're going to add a small change. Lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go over, under, hold, up, 2, 3. That burns. 3 more. Lower. 2. Go slow and hold, over, under, squeeze, up, 2, 3. Last 2, okay? Down. 2, 3, 4. Hold, over, under, squeeze the legs, bring up, 2, 3. 1 more time, okay? Down, 2, 3. Oh, it burns. We go over, under, together, up, 2, 3, 4. Good. Come on up. Give me a good flip back to plank. So where we started in that plank up down, okay? 1 minute left. Let's keep working together. So top of the push-up, start with the left. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Let's go left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Last time, left, right, left. Now right, right, left, right. Hold your plank. Heels go left, center. Heels go right, center, left, center, right, center. 1 more time, left, center. 1 more time, right. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Quick flip. Legs in the air, opposite hand, opposite foot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. This is the end. And done. Hug your knees in. Way to go, guys. We are done with today, and I look forward to taking 5 with you tomorrow. See you later.